Hi everyone, this is a video about the update of this Bluetooth speaker that I have made, and I have added some sort of elements into it, like a battery inside and self-sufficient being Bluetooth with a larger size of the speakers and a handle on the top and so on. And as well as all of those, I have also added a music sensitive LED lights at the back, and now we are going to have a look at it. Whatever you do, make sure that you enjoy this video.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.